O le avanoa le radio Samoa whailoa ai ma longo pueli I le atunu I whaiva maneia ma pisinisi o o whita I tunga I eilto tele o tamali I o alofo I matama whanau o Samoa. O le ngaluenga la radio Samoa le whailoa atu I ante oe o lato au nanga I o li tono New Zealand. Ia ma lo molo silifia. Nga esa sangene whaongalo lato tautua o le sosone tatou Samoa. Ia molo lato o nanga la whapena fo ontupu molo e lato pisinisi fifia nei tai au. O leo fatis mai le so tamata pule o le Em's pineapple pies. Tamata Ema Manase. Ya kalkala ngoso ko fe kuri pa se kami ngala ka mangi lo ko sami le pineapple pie ar ka manga ar ka ya Ema ma lo fa tai mon nei tai au ma lo se fu.
Tala fa lava ma lo le se fu ma le langi mama. O lo ngo Ema Manase, owner of Em's pineapple pies.
Malo va tai Ema fa mole a se I so la kiki ala ka microphone se mo ko ai fa fo fonga le leile ko mo mangingo lo si fonga manga I ngi tai fo malo va tai le o le upole tunu le le ala moto le pa wai loa o feuto o fianga Samoa wa o ka o lo fianga ke I Samoa o ku uma e fa ka ko pai ni so
e o lo o ke sa mai vai lima si umo sa funge en sa le ola.
Wow. Wa ba ai nal melo ngo mga ka umo fianga yo ku umar vanga le fa ka ko pai le Ema ona fiana amatayon o inai le paringo le pai mar faingo le pineapple pie.
Yeah, so it's a recipe from my late mum, my late mother, Tolu Manase.
Yeah.
Started baking about 2 years ago.
Right.
Awa maliola lokinga.
Yeah.
Then I started to think about the things that she taught me.
Nice.
And that was one of the things.
Whawau le legacy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vea oe whawau winel tā lenia show tina ka lo whae māneia. Le lei o le sapila le na matu e lau mamia oe. O le lau wa whawau winel le whaia o kako pineapple pies. Le lei so how did you create your pineapple pie?
How did I promote my pies?
Yes.
Yeah. Maka ngafasala lau lunga le Facebook.
Yeah.
And then I went on to Instagram. And then I went on to Marketplace after that.
Yeah.
But now I'm promoting on the Nation Collective page and the I Am Mangere page for Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah. Wow. So Aloha o ina mai le vangale na ta wole Nation Collective ma tu so ina na matena e fa'alau loa ia le ka waku le hatunu hey le pineapple pie ale ko topa I langi ako.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I wanted to take our pineapple pies to the next level.
Yeah.
So promoting and selling it at a retail store is one of my dreams. So,
Yeah.
When that came about, I took the opportunity to promote.
Oh, okay.
So now I'm selling at the shop.
Oh, nice. Wo fia ngin tau sanga lua tau sanga.
2 years I started baking from home.
Yeah.
About a week ago, we opened up a shop.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, lele o fia la le opening le fa lo fo le Emma.
We're at shop 16A, 93 Beta Drive in Mangere Town Centre.
Yeah.
The library entrance to go through.
Al waku lai ko kongo le urufane la ku le fale tusi.
Yeah.
Le mafayanga misi mai.
Lo amavale lo yeah.
Oh, so le ka fe. O le sign lai lunga Em's pineapple pies
Yeah. Nation Collective and kuseong singa e kongo le falulo.
Wow. Okay. Lele. So I was selling on pile Jamie. Is it going all right? Selling the pineapple pie?
Yes, actually it's been selling very good at the moment.
Emma, tana noa le pineapple pie. Are we talking about the half moon pie or the one le foil? Le tray.
They're very lunga le tray.
Oh, okay, sorry.
With the cream on the top.
That will make it even better and taste nicer.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I pela is I go there, you out the law, more family service, family gatherings, amana mila se buki. Ai, o ila la kusa o yale oka Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You can buy from the shop, or you can make orders for catering or birthdays or any events.
Yeah.
I can do that for you.
Beautiful. Well, decorations le lungal pai wa I know le cream, oisikanga ka ku le pineapple, mai si foi uma decorations le lungal pai ya.
We have strawberries, kiwi fruit, peaches, peanuts, and passion fruit swirls. So with the orders, I usually ask people what do they want on their pie.
Right.
So they make the choice.
Yeah. Okay, pula la inga size la wa ke nga kele sizes la ya. I mean small, medium, large. Pula la inga size okala ko wa. Sorry. Ala umi fakari la inga pa okala ko pa ya.
About 2 days notice.
Oh, at the taula la inga o nga oka. At least 2 days. I le yo le asole. I le kan mi fole ko do ku la fa la ve ai bila Emma, se manga pa nga fa mo le ku pu fa la.
That's where the shop comes in. So you can come in and just buy whatever's on the in our food cabinet.
I saw so the same kwa manga. Yes, so what's your dream mo le mana ia fa tu putelina ia ma fa popo fo mangisi ya. Isi foi ko inga pai ang penga le pineapple pie ale ke mga fai.
At the moment it's pineapple pie.
Yeah.
There is a next step which I'm wanting to start making apple pie, apple crumble. All it'll come soon, but all in good time.
Oh, okay, nice. So la pusing. Le lei fa maru no atu le tunu langa leo ko inga vela ka ko pai mai va ko fa ka fa dia le ko molo ko serfia ko ngoi se kai minga ko ai le lelo ko suange o taulang fa tau mangele so fa ne mai or mena le library anga vale o nga ke mo ele nation is it nation collective o ko konga o la mo ele M's pineapple pies facility Emma mo ele kali fia mo o le ne so Ema ese mai nga tawa te mana o so no e fala lo ati le tato wa M's pineapple pie.
Just for anyone that's wanting to start a business.
Yeah.
Just keep going, keep doing what you want to do. Be strong, be motivated.
Yeah.
There's heaps of support out there, so always talk to people. They'll be able to push you forward.
Yeah.
Or even come to me and visit me at the Nation Collective.
Yes, mana te le famana tu nei tai hau ma lango ka ko kau fai ma fa vai isi kai mia ava ko kau na ki sa wal manero foi le nga ki ala wo le usu le sky ai kau fa malo si pe ma wal fiu ngo fi le lei fa pe fa fo mai le tino e fi so ta ya tu o le se telefoni po se email po fe ma wai ya contact mo e fa mo.
Yeah, you can contact me on my email, emspineapplepies@gmail.com, or you can contact me on my contact number, which is 022-503-2268.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can just visit me at the shop. We'll be there.
Right. Okay.
6 days a week.
6 days a week?
Yeah.
So that's Monday to Saturday?
Monday to Saturday.
Locula sa.
Yeah.
Te mile talai le M's pineapple pies.
From 9 to 4.
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Yeah.
On Thursday, we have a late night till 6 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah.
And Saturday, we have an open market in front of our shop where we've got our pies in the front of the shop.
Wow. Okay, Ema Manase, whawhataitelele, sumai for tatu of his nei tai au. And well done. Congratulations, le to telela to fi tu business nei taimi ya kalumaya le ka ko vikia ma lo ale lo toa. Yeah, all the best mo mana ya.
Thank you very much.
Se ko mai kasar ka ko telefon e ma fa mo ya ka ka ya ma ko telefon ya ne ko fa mau le se mi o ya ka ana for telefon.
Yeah, it's 022 503-2268.
Yeah, lele Emma, manu yala wa 5 on ne aso. Once again, 5 time mo le so mal taro official ni tai.
That's